So do you think that the sequence is very important in the trading? While the sequence we are using, everybody he is using in his life. And if you look at the nature, you will see that the leaves on the plants, they are in a sequence. And if you see in the sea that when the fishes are swimming, they are in a sequence. Even the birds, they are flying in the sky, they making the sequence. And even we human beings, where we are going or in our home, everything we want that must be in a sequence. So what do you think? The sequence is important in a trading or sequence is not important?
I think it's very important, sir.
Yes.
And you know that the Fibonacci numbers are also natural sequence. And we will use in our trading the Fibonacci numbers, but here the sequence is very important. So how we can understand the sequence in the candlestick and how we can understand the sequence in the waves? So there are two things, the sequence in the candles and the sequence in the waves, means impulse and correction, impulse and correction, impulse and correction, whatever. So there are three sequences. How many? How much there are?
Three.
Three. So these are three sizes. What name I can give them sequence? Can I say that this is a big and this is a medium and this is a small? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. So for example, if we got the big candle and then the medium candle, which sequence is missing?
Small candle.
So the next candle size will be small. Got it? In case if you have a medium and then small, which size is missing?
Big candle.
So the next candle size will be the big. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If there is a small and then big, which size is missing?
Medium.
The next, if candle is a green, then the size will be medium. So this is the universal concept. So when I say universal concept, means this concept will work on the M1, it will work on the M5, 15-minute, H1, H4, D1, month candle also will work on this sequence. So every time frame will work on this sequence. So let's check the sequence on the chart, right? And then we will move on. You need to be research on it. I already researched, but I'm just giving you explanations, right? See here. Can I say it's a medium, small, then which will be the missing size?
Large or big?
Big.
Is it a big?
Big.
Right?
Yes.
Now remove this one size. This is a small and this is a big. Which size is missing?
Medium.
Is it a medium?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now remove this size. And now it's a big, it's a medium. Which size is missing?
Small.
Is it small?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is, for example, if I say it's a medium, it's a small, then which size is missing?
Big candle.
Is it a big?
Yes.
Yes.
Here, if I say, for example, if I say it's a big,
Medium.
for example, if I say it's a big and it's a small, then this can be the medium or it can be the big size. So here I can count the medium, or I can change this as a big and this as a medium. It's not a problem, okay? And if I go back, here you can see it's a big candle with an understanding of wick. So I can say this is a big candle, right? And then this is a medium, or this is a small.
Yes.
So this will be our understanding of the sequence. Now, this is a 1 minute. Move to the 5 minute, right? Recently, there is an example. Am I right?
Yes.
Is it a big, then medium, then it's a small? Why? This is a big candle, then this is a medium candle. Which is missing?
Small.
And this is
Small.
a small. Right? So if you can see these three candles, you will get the sequence. If you see these three candles, you will get the sequence. Sometimes when it's a small and big, now the next is a medium. So medium, which is related, which is near to the small. So sometimes it can be the small, sometimes it can be the medium, right?
Yes.
Now go to the 15 minutes. No, go to the H1, right? Recently, three candles. Am I right on the sequence?
Yes.
Okay. So here, am I right? And here, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we are going to the D1, day one candle, okay? Am I right here?
Yes.
If I start from here, am I right in the sequence? Then am I right in the sequence? Then again, am I right in the sequence, right? So look at how sequence is working on every time frame. It's the same, means it's a universal concept. Now, after 1 week candle, if I check, am I right here? Then I'm right here. Is it working?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I go to the month candle, check the current candle. What will be the size of this candle?
A large or well big.
So this month, when it will close, it will be the big candle. So in this month, end of the month, we will see a large downtrend in the Euro USD. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
So now you will understand, you will be able to understand the trend in the market
Yes, yes.
as well as, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you go the shorter trend, you go on the H1 candles. If the H1 candle size will be bigger, means it will be the trend. If the size will be smaller, it means it will be the range. So you can use this technique. Okay. Now, one more technique I'm going to tell you. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, brother.
Now this candle is running.
Yes.
Means previous this running candle and the previous candle means how can you know which is big and means now the running candle is we can call it big or medium also.
You will understand the two candles and then this will be your missing candle.
Yes.
If you understand
Big
the
candle,
size
yes.
of these two candles, then you will be the missing size will be this one. For example, it's a medium and
okay,
it's a
sir.
small. This will be the big candle.
So you
Big.
always go
Yes, yes,
based
yes,
off
sir.
the previous two candles?
Yes, this one, these two candles, if we can count, and this will be answer. And again, if I count these two candles, then this will be the answer, right?
Means after this candle, if there is red candle, then we can call it medium candle. After this candle, the missing
Yes.
candle will be medium candle.
Yes. In case if
Okay,
there is the if the next candle will be the red, then it will be the medium candle. But the next candle will be
Yes,
not
yes.
be the red, as I'm thinking, because today I'm going to give you the reason. See here, when this combination happens, the next candle is a green, right? And when same combination will happen, the next candle, maybe it will be this weak green candle you will found at here, the next one, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
For example, here, if you see the same size, the next is a green, right? So logical, we need to understand. Logical, now I'm going to give you the understanding. What the understanding is that one? See, in case if there is a small candle and then there is a big candle, and in case there is a big candle and then there is a small candle, mostly you will find everywhere, every time you will find the big and small and big candle. Always you will find. Okay. This setup, 80% chances the next will be the green. Why? If you find the supply is coming from here, right? Then if it is the last is a big candle, means this is the last effort. This is what? Last effort of the sellers. They will show you the last effort and the price will reverse back. Mostly, we are going to the 1 minute and understanding this concept. See here, mostly you will find the small and big candle. What's the next candle? Green.
Green.
The small and big candle, what's the next candle?
Green.
It's green. When the big and small candle, the next candle will be the red. When the small and big candle, the next candle will be the green. Right?
Yes.
For example, it does not mean every time you will find. Every time it will not work. It is dependent upon the support and resistance, breakout, other concepts also related. But when we are analyzing the candles and predicting the candle, what we are focusing? We are focusing the similarities. What? Similarities. The market is not unique. If someone who is thinking that the market is unique, every time the unique movement will be there, no. If the market is a unique, then no one can be a pro trader and no one can be a profitable. So market is running on the similarities. The similarities means the previous setups is showing the current setup formations, right? So my understanding, which I'm going to show you, that if you find the small candle, okay, and then the big candle, mostly what you will think? It may reverse. It may reverse. Now, in case if there is a breakout, then chances are increasing. In case this candle is closing under the resistance, the chances are more increasing. In case there is no resistance, then there is a 50-50 chances. No resistance, no breakout, it's a 50% chances that the next candle will be the red. But in case if there is a breakout, and if in case there is a resistance level, now the chances are more than 85%.
That's crazy.
Right?
Yes.
So if there is no any SNR and breakout, then 50% chances it can reverse back. And in our studies, the 50% setups we are not taking. We are taking which setups? Which are above the 60 to 70%. So this 50-50 means a probability. It can be win, it can be loss. So we are not losing our money on the 50% understanding. We will enter the trades when we are confirmed more than the 50%. So for example, this is a one concept. Now just to understand, this is a one concept. What we need to confirm more? We need to confirm the breakout. We need to confirm the resistance level. The two things, if it is confirmed, our decision will be right. The third, we will check the volume. Then the three filters on the one setup, it's enough. So the sequence is very important. Now, why sequence? I want to teach you because why it's important. Let's check here. Mostly, when the traders, they are placing the trades, They are thinking the price is in a momentum. I need to place a trade. But when the market opens, immediately after open, the price reached to this level. Now there is no chance. You need to enter on the open price, but price is not moving back. Then what you will do? Then you will think, oh, okay, if the price is coming in a momentum, so it is possible it can move up. So I can enter at this current position. And if you enter at the current position, after purchasing time, when the expiry time starts, the price will move up, 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 and then you are expecting a profit and you are excited. But at the last seconds, you will see the price will reject it back and it closed below your entry point. Then you are thinking, my decision was right, but my entry point was not good. So many trades you are losing in this condition. Am I right?
100%.
Okay. Then another mistake of the trader. For example, there is a strong resistance level. So many times price is rejected back from this level. And the traders are thinking, when the price crosses this level, I will place a sell trade and I'm hoping that the candle will reverse back and close under the level, right? So here, when the price reach at this level, everybody entered the sell trade. That is called the rejection trade. That this resistance is very strong. Price will reject it back and close under the level. But when you are placing this trade, again price is moving up. Then you are confused. Now you are thinking, am I leave this trade or I need to be recover this trade? If you are thinking about the recovery, then you are placing the two more trades at this level. That if the first trade is going to be in a loss, then two trades will be in a profit. But when you are placing the two trades, again price is moving up, right? So these two trades are also in a loss, this trade also in a loss. How many times you face this problem?
So many times.
Yes. It's embarrassing.
Now think.
So many times.
Now think, if the first and second candle is a small and medium, then even 100% strong level cannot reject this candle, because this is the next candle size will be big, right? So if the turn of the big candle, then your rejection trade will be failed. But in case the first and second candle is a big, right, and then it's a medium, now there is a strong resistance level. You can put not one, if you want to put, you can put the more 4 or 5 trades here, because the big and medium candle already happened. Now this candle will be the small, and at the end price will be rejected back and close under the level. So that is the understanding about the price. See here, these two candles are there, right? And it will be declared as a medium and a small candle. Am I right?
Yes.
Now,
Sir.
yes.
Medium and small. How can we know that, sir? We can call it that big, small, big, medium, and after that.
Okay. I'm coming on this point. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
for example, if I'm saying it's a medium and small, then this level seems to be a very strong level. Am I right? Because not 1 time, 4 times price reverse back, right? So now I'm thinking the range is running, the consolidation market is running. I need to put the trade for sale and price will reject it back, because I'm looking at the back, there is a strong resistance level. And when I place a trade here, price is moving up. Again, I place a trade here, again, price is moving up. So what happens? I lost all my entries, right?
Yes.
So don't do this practice. If you want to trade the rejection trade, then understand this sequence, right? Now, a brother, he is confusing that why we are considering it's a medium and small, why we are not considering it's a big and medium. Yes.
Medium.
See here. If it is a big candle, then expectation is the half of this big candle will be the medium candle. Half of the candle of this will be the medium.
Medium candle.
And the small candle will be half of the
Medium candle.
medium candle. So now,
Okay.
as per the size, it is look like if we go 5 candles back, this is a normal candle, right?
Okay.
So it's a normal candle and it's not a big candle, because big candle, you can understand this can be the big, this can be the big, this can be the big, this can be the big. As per this size, it's not a big candle, right?
Okay. Okay. Right, sir. Right, sir. Okay. Okay.
So if we go
Understood,
5
sir.
candles back, then it's not a big candle, because big here is means it is like a combination of 2 candles, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this will be the medium. Now, if it's a medium, you can see the half of the medium will be the small. Am I right?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Now, this will be the big candle. So big candle, it can be the 3 candle size, it can be the 4 candle size, it can be the 2, minimum 2 size, 2 candle size. A normal 2 size, 2 candles will be a big candle. Okay? So after practice, you will understand. Now, the sequence is clear. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now, one thing, what you need to be trade, if a small candle and if it's a big candle. The big candle means the small candle, the big candle must be greater 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 3 times of the small candle. Now it is considered as what? Big. You need to place a call. You need to place a call.
Call.
Okay? And then if a big is 1 and then it's a small, like a this wick, like a this wick, like a this wick, the next candle will be the red. You need to be continued. Okay? This is a continuation setup. This is a reversal setup. Understand this setup, trade this setup, then this setup we will combine in the strong resistance breakout and weak resistance breakout. A strong support breakout, strong support and weak support breakout. So if I add the breakout, means it will be the B, right? So this strategy we will add at this yesterday strategy, right?
Okay.
As yesterday I told that first now start the trading, then slowly I will add the filters on that strategy. Then you will understand. So there is no any strategy which is only single without any filter. One thing keep in mind. Without filter, every strategy have a 50% winning ratio. It's your luck. Sometimes you will win the 9 out of 10. Sometimes 8 out of 10. It's your luck. But if overall, every strategy have how much percentage without filter? 50%. Then we will add the filters. A 10% filter we will add, it will become a 60. More 10%, it will be 70. More 10%, it will be 80. So if its strategy reaches to the 80%, it will be a profitable strategy. But every strategy, what's come in your mind? What you are finding? The market structure is created on the 50%. Every strategy is what you are thinking. If any strategy exists in the market, if it's not exist, if you are finding, if someone find it, the strategy winning ratio without filter is 50%. If you add the filters, the percentage will be increased. Okay? But don't lose the hope if you are losing the trades. Don't. After practice, it will be clear. Okay. Now.
Oh,
yes.
I'm so sorry. I do have one question. So, does it count with the dojis? Like if there's a doji before, like, and then we have a medium candle and then a big candle, does it count that way as well?
If the doji happens, for example, there are two sizes, right?
Yes.
But for example, a doji will happen, definitely one will be red and the another will be doji, right?
Yes.
Or the doji will be there and then it will be the red. Means it's not a sequence. Sequence is based on the candle's body. If there is no body, means there is no sequence.
Okay.
Okay?
Sir?
Yes, brother.
The task you have given to take trade in that sequence, we have to check the SNR or not, sir?
No. Sequence is not a... One thing keep in mind. Sequence is not a strategy for trading. Sequence is a strategy for taking where I need to enter the trade.
Right.
Right? So sequence, we don't know. The next candle will be the green or the next candle will be the red. But if you have a prediction that definitely next candle will be the red, then you can say the next size will be this one. For example, there are two candles, right? Small and medium. The next candle will be the big one. Why it's not a big? Because the next candle will be not the red candle because of any support, because any breakout. But if you are expected a red candle, then you can say the next candle possible it will be the big one. Okay, one thing. For example, if it's a small candle, then it's a medium candle. Then the next candle will be the big one. Then wait, don't enter immediately on the open price because the next candle, if it will be the big, then it will be bigger than the medium candle, right? So when this candle started, when it reached at this area, then enter the trade here. Confirm. Yes, if it's a big candle, definitely you don't need to put at the open price. But if you think that a big is already happened, the medium is already happened, now the next one will be the small candle. So now it's chance you can enter above the open price or on the open price. Don't enter at the below side. Right? Is it confusing? Hello?
No, it's clear.
It's clear?
It's clear. It's clear.
Yes.
Okay. So in the group, some members have a good level of understanding and some members, they are beginner. So I don't want that someone feel that, everybody knows about their understanding. I'm not understanding. So don't think like that. If you have any problem, then personally message me. That's why I'm not understanding this concept. And maybe I will give you the time to teach you again and make you understanding. So don't think and don't silent in the group. Talk with me, communicate with me, because and break this fear. In the when I was learning in the classes, that time I was very fearful. Because of fear, I was not asking the questions from the teacher. But when I passed all the stages and then I understood why I did not ask any question from my teachers, means that was my weakness. But after understanding, after my basics, my advanced education levels, then I understood, no, not asking the question means it's very difficult to understand or move the another level. So that's why again and again I'm saying, if you are unable to ask the question in the group, then send me the personally in a message. Maybe there will be the language problem, so you can send me the written questions as well as in this running class, also in the group, also everywhere you can send me the questions. Clear yourself. Okay, so now come here on the point.
Sir, sorry sir for my network problem was there, sir.
Yes.
So I need to confirm, sir, that the setup you gave,
Yes.
small candle after that big candle,
Yes.
then reversal happen. We need
Okay.
to check SNR or not, sir?
No. Now
Or
we are not checking the SNR. When
okay, sir. Okay,
we will
sir.
check the
That's it.
SNR, I will
That's
tell.
it.
I will tell. Okay. So now we
Okay,
are
sir.
moving on the
Thank you.
candlestick. Okay. Single candlestick patterns. Which are the single candlestick pattern in the bullish? Can anyone tell me? Single candlestick patterns.
Hammer.
Yes, hammer.
The doji.
Doji.
I think inverted hammer.
Inverted hammer. Very good.
The spinning top.
Okay, spinning top. How you know it's a spinning top? It can be spinning bottom.
The color.
It can be the spinning bottom. It can be the spinning top. We don't know where is the spinning candle. So if you don't know the side, where is the spinning candle, then only just call the spinning candle, not the spinning top or a bottom. Okay, I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
See here. Which is this candle?
Hammer.
A hammer. We can say it's a bullish hammer, right?
Yes.
A bullish
Yes.
hammer. And this one?
Inverted hammer.
Inverted hammer.
Bullish inverted hammer,
Inverted
right?
hammer, shooting star.
Yes.
So still we don't know it's a shooting star or not. Okay, but now only the base concept is a bullish inverted hammer. Okay, and then we will learn about the other concepts. This is the spinning candle. If it appear at the top of the trend, then it's a spinning top. If it appear at the bottom of the trend, then it's a spinning bottom. Okay. Otherwise, it's a candle which is called the spinning candle. Which is this candle? That is amazing candle. Yes. Without wick candle.
Marubozu candle.
Marubozu, very good.
I can never pronounce it.
Okay, so now one side there is a wick and one side the candle is wickless. So which is this candle?
Shaven head. Sorry.
Yes. It's
A shaven head. I heard
this
something.
this candle is not wick have at this area, right?
Yes.
So on the closing price there is no wick, right?
Yes.
So we can say it's a closing Marubozu. Okay. It's a closed Marubozu, right? This candle which don't have a wick at the bottom means
It will be.
don't have a wick
It
at the
will be
open.
Marubozu.
It is the open Marubozu. Perfect. Okay. So the same candles will be, you will be find in a bearish mode. Okay. Bearish hammer. Okay. Bearish inverted hammer. Spinning candle only, right? Marubozu. This is closed Marubozu. You can see one difference is there. The green candle close is top. The red candle close is bottom. So this is the difference, right? So that's why it's the closed Marubozu. And that is the open Marubozu. These are the single candlestick. So in the single candlestick, these candlestick can be the reversal pattern. These candlestick can be the continuation pattern. How it's a reversal pattern and how it's a continuation pattern, we need to be understand. But there are 4 more candles. 4 more candles are there. So what you are calling those candles? Let's check. A bullish pin bar. It's look like a hammer, but it's a pin bar, right? It's look like an inverted hammer, but it's a bullish pin bar. Same will be the bearish. These are the bearish pin bars. Okay. So now, as I told that we are going to understand which is the reversal pattern and which is the continuation pattern within the single candlestick patterns, how we need to identify. Let's check. Single candlestick, reversal and continuation patterns. The first candle is a red one. The first candle is a red one. If you find the hammer, a bullish hammer, appear after the red candle, then it's a reversal pattern. If the first candle is a red and then hammer appear, it is what? Reversal pattern. So always when I ask any question or someone asks from you, or when you are trading, if you want to identify that this hammer is a continuation or this hammer is a reversal, then check the previous candle. If it's a red, it's a reversal. Reversal means price move down and then move up. So here, if we check, the price is moving down and then it's moving up, right? So it's a reversal. See here.
Question.
Yes, brother.
Sir, if bearish hammer appears
Okay.
Here, then market will go up or down?
That is the another thing where the market will go. First, we need to understand and identify. Okay. So within this lecture, I will tell you what will be the next candle. Okay. But just now need to identify. Okay. See here. A red candle, then a bullish inverted hammer. This is the reversal pattern, single reversal pattern, right? A spinning candle, reversal pattern. Now look at here. A green candle, then a bearish hammer. This is the reversal pattern. Now we can say it's a hanging man, or we can say it's a bearish hammer. That is the another thing. I'm coming on it. Okay. See here. Now it's a shooting star, or it's a bearish inverted hammer, whatever this candle, but this is a single candlestick pattern, okay, which is the reversal. See, so these portion, when you find, it's a reversal patterns. How we can identify the continuation pattern? Let's see. A green candle, then it's a hammer. Now this hammer work as a continuation pattern. A continuation pattern, what it mean? Anyone can tell me? If the continuation pattern happens, then what it mean? Yes, brother.
Market will continue.
Market will continue. A continuation means this candle is.
Market will continue.
Yes, this candle is confirming us. Which candle? This candle is confirming us that I am the continuation sign of previous candle. I am the continuation sign of previous candle. After this candle of hammer, you need to be placed a call option. And sometime before, maybe the 45 minutes before, what I told, if the candle is big and then the candle is small, what we need to do? We will place a call option instead of a put option, right? So you can see the big size and the small size. Also, it's a continuation sign. And this is also a continuation sign. So when the big candle and small candle happens, you need to be continued. Mostly it will move up. Mostly it will move up. Let's check now. This inverted hammer, it looks like that the sellers have a pressure, but this is a sign of continuation, that the price will continue. Where are the sellers? At this area, there are sellers. So who will fill this gap?
Buyers.
Buyers. So go with the buyer, right? There are more sub concepts, so I will clear every concept. I will clear. Don't worry. So here, this is the continuation pattern. Now someone asked the question, that's the inverted hammer. If the hammer appears, yes, if the hammer appear and before candle is red, then it's a hammer, then the next candle will be the red, mostly. But in some cases, it can be the green in the case if the candle is closed on the support. If the support is there, then it is possible it can move up. But if there is no support, only the support is this one, then the sellers will fill this gap. Right? See here. It's a continuation sign. It's a continuation sign. So, do you understood about the reversal patterns, which are single, and which are the continuation patterns? Everybody understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, what we call this is a bearish hammer, or it's a hanging man. This is a inverted hammer, or it's a shooting star. This is a spinning top, or this is a spinning bottom. When the name will change, when the function will change, we are going to understand that one. Okay. See here. The hammer appears where? If it appears at the bottom, then this is called the hammer. This is called the bearish and bullish hammer. If it appears at the top, this will be called as a continuation hammer. This will be called as a continuation hammer. And this will be called as a hanging man. The name will be changed of this candle. This will be the hanging man. This is the hanging man. Now it's not a hammer. Also, it's a hammer, we can say, but the function is changed. That's why the name is changed. But this is why this is a continuation. In case, now you need to, these two setups will be there. For example, before there is a green candle. Okay. Now it's a continuation hammer. In case, for example, the price is moving up, then sellers enter, then again hammer enter. Now this hammer is a continuation or it's a reversal?
Continuation.
Yeah.
This hammer.
Why not reversal? Because red candle before.
Yes, it's a red candle before. It's a reversal now. This is the continuation. You need to understand. If the hammer before there is a red candle, it's a reversal hammer. This is a continuation hammer. Understand? This is a continuation hammer. This is reversal hammer. What's the difference? Understand the difference. Before there is a green candle and before there is a red candle. And when this hanging man will happen, definitely before there will be the green candle. Okay. For example, there is it's a hanging man. In case, if there are green candles and then the one red candle is there, and then this hammer appear. Now, is it a hanging man or it's a continuation sign?
Continuation sign.
Very good. Now what is this? This one is
Reversal.
Hanging man. Okay, and this is
Hammer. Continuation hammer.
these things are very important, right? So if we change the inverted hammer, here if we change the inverted hammer, it will be called the shooting star. Here it will be shooting star. Okay, so I'm going to save this picture and then I'm going to edit this picture. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, brother.
You have written there reversal hammer means after that which candle we can go for?
Yes.
This
the trading I will clear. How we can trade, I will clear. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everything will be clear. Don't worry. Everything one point I will clear. But step by step. If I go randomly, you will never understand anything.
Yes, sir.
So this is what? A shooting star. And this is continuation inverted hammer. And this is reversal inverted hammer. Which is this candle?
Shooting star.
Yes. And this is your continuation
Inverted.
There are two types of trader. One who wants only strategies and wants to trade without any other education. And one who are the professional traders. What do you want? Which one trader will be good trader? And what's your aim? You want to be a professional trader or you just want a strategical trader?
Professional
trader.
So then this theory, maybe it can bore you, but you need to bear these things, okay? So if you want to be a professional trader, then these terms, conditions, everything you need to understand, okay? If you want just a strategical trading, only I will discuss the strategies and then go for trade. But a strategical trader always fails. The professional trader always understand and estimate the risk, and he will understand what I need to do at every different place of the position of the place of the price, right? So these things are very important, and that's why I'm consuming time on this understanding, because this education you will never find on the YouTube, or no one can provide you a small concept, small topic. They will never tell you. I don't know why they are not telling. So this is very important, okay? Now, the shooting star or inverted hammer, this is the difference. Someone, before I was also saying that in case if that is a green candle, if I say this is a shooting star, so this is not a shooting star, because before the candle is green, so it is a continuation sign. It is a continuation sign, because we are not going to break the rules. As the rules, this red candle is a shooting star, and here the red candle is not a shooting star, it's a continuation inverted hammer, a continuation inverted, a bearish inverted hammer. Okay, so if you add the spinning, now I'm going to add the spinning, right? This is your spinning top because it's in the top. This is your spinning bottom because it's in the bottom. This is spinning top. This is the reversal spinning bottom, spinning top, okay? Because it's in an uptrend. And this candle is a spinning top. But our traders always, they are calling everywhere there is a spinning top because they are thinking that it's a name. A spinning top is a name. No, a spinning top is a position. Top is a
position.
Yes. So if it appear at the top, then you can call a spinning top. If it appear at the bottom, you can call it's a spinning bottom. Okay. So now come to the trading, that how we can trade these candles. Okay. Everything is clear?
Yes, definitely gonna have to go over
Yes, review is very
the
important.
patterns, but yeah.
Yes. If you're tired, then we skip here. Then we will learn the trading tomorrow. If you are still, you think that you have a power to understand, then I can start the trading of these patterns. Yes.
Continue, sir.
Continue.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. 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 So I'm going to show something different now. One book I'm going to share with you, right? This book will help you. This is when I started the teaching, that time I created in a 75 hours without any break. So this is my start of the teaching when I created this book. All concepts here you will find. Okay, just I remove. See here. This is a book of candlestick patterns. You will find how to trade these patterns, right? Yesterday, which we learned the candlestick ranges, you can understand these candles, a strong bullish candle, neutral, less bullish, all the patterns are there, right? So you can take a reference from here. And now come to the hammer, inverted hammer, and shooting star, all these how we can trade. See here. The hammer lower wick or inverted hammer upper wick, it's your support line or it's your resistance line. This point you need to keep, okay? And then this is the way how to trade. This line is what? It's your support. It's your this line is your support. This support is your previous support from previous past SNR. Okay. For example, this is the past SNR. This red candle closed at the past support and the hammer candle formed. So is it a continuation pattern? It's a reversal pattern.
Reversal.
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 Very good. It's a reversal. If you found a red candle broke the support level, broke the support level, here close on the support level, here broke the support level, and hammer forms. Hammer closing under this resistance now, and hammer closing above the support, there is no resistance. If there is no resistance, next candle will be the green. If after breakout, hammer appears and close under this resistance, means this candle will reverse back again. These two things very important. Got it point?
Sir,
Yes.
may I ask a question?
Yes, ask.
If it will make a difference if the support or resistance is a weak or strong?
No, because we are not trading the breakout. So when we are trading the breakout, then the strong or weak support we required.
Yes, thank you.
Because this candle already created on the support, right?
Right.
We are not trading this support. The candle already created on the support. So there is no function of the support. But that is very important. This candle at the closing price, is there any resistance or not? For example, if the candle created on the support, means there will be no resistance. If the candle created on the breakout, means this hammer is closing under the breakout resistance level. Then it will be the reversal, then it will be the continuation. The next one will be the green, right?
Right, thank you.
Same thing, if the red candle close on the support and then inverted hammer happens, right? Means the inverted hammer created on the support. Here, this inverted hammer created and closed under the resistance. So if it is closed on the support and there is no resistance here, the candle will continue. If it closed under the resistance, it will come back down. So it means all the functions are based on the support and resistance. All the patterns we will trade with the help of the support and resistance and breakout understanding. So this is the same thing. And this is the same thing. Just a pattern is changed. Just what is changed? The pattern is changed. Okay. There are more filters. Later on we will discuss, but only if we just to understand the pattern plus support and resistance, we can trade. Okay. Now this is the bearish hammer. If the bearish hammer close on the support, now this is very risky. This trade is very risky, and this trade is very risky because red candle and the hammer. What is this? It's a reversal pattern or it's a continuation sign? Continuation. So mostly traders, they are placing the buy. They are thinking the buyers, sellers are weak here. In case if you recognize the strong support at this area, then it will move up. Otherwise, if it's breaking, it will continue down. If there is no resistance here, only the support is here, there is no support here, only this is the support, it will continue. But in case if the support, the second support is on the closing price of the hammer, then it will be the green candle. But less chances for the green candle. Mostly it will continue. Right? Here, this is a continuation pattern or it's a reversal pattern?
Continuation.
So more chances for continue. But in case, if there is a strong support, then it will reverse back. But for example, 50% chances for the reversal. 50% setups don't take. 50% setups don't take, right? If it's breaking, it will continue. So this is the reversal setups and continuation setups of these patterns. Now, the same patterns appear at the top of the trend. Where it's appear? At the top of the trend. See here. This hammer is what? It's a reversal, it's a continuation.
Continuation.
And it's breaking. And this candle size is saying the big and then the small size, the next candle will continue. And the candle and the hammer means it's a continuation, it's continue. So you can buy here, right?
Yes.
And here, if you see, this is a continuation also. But in case if you find a strong resistance level and the candle is closing under the resistance level, then chances maybe it can reverse back. But less chances are there. More chances to continue, less chances to reverse back. But also this is a chance, right? See here, inverted hammer and then the green candle. What it means? A reversal and continuation.
Continuation.
So more chances it will continue. More chances it will continue. But in case if the round number or if the any other resistance which is strong and the closing price of the inverted hammer close under the resistance, then chances for the red candle. It is depend upon where. When you will find in a downtrend and price moved up, it's an inverted hammer. In a downtrend, it's moved down. But if you find the price is in an uptrend, it mostly continue. In a downtrend, it will reverse back. In an uptrend, it will continue. Also, you can understand the trend, right?
Yes.
See here, these two patterns. If this hanging man closed on after breakout, it will move up. If there is appear under the resistance, it will continue. So what's the total function? Support and resistance, right? Here you can see the shooting star closed where? After the breakout and closed on the breakout level, it will continue up. But the shooting star closed appeared under the resistance and there is no support at this level, it will continue down. So same thing on the spinning top, if you add, it will be the same thing. This is the way how to trade the single candlestick pattern. So single candlestick pattern alone, I'm not trading as too much. I'm trading the single candlestick pattern in the sense of continuation sign. Okay, so one thing I'm going to tell you here. This is, tomorrow I will teach you, but I'm going to show you something, right? This is my research on 1700 pictures of the continuation candles, right? The 15 to 20 members, they participate in this research. See, which is this candle? Recently we learned spinning, inverted, and hammer. Where it's appear? After engulfing, it's appear. So if these two candles, what I can say? It's a continuation, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
The next candle will be the green. It will be the green. It will be the green. So it's called the trend continuation setup. So bullish engulfing. This continuation candle endorses the bullish engulfing that the next candle will continue. In morning star, this continuation candle endorses the morning star. The next candle will continue. Trend continuation setup here in the piercing line, it's endorsing that the next candle will continue. What will be the percentage? How much time it will continue? See here, this research. A bullish engulfing and then spinning top continuation setup happens, 86% chances market will continue. 89% chances market will continue. 84% chances market will continue. But in a morning star, only the spinning top and inverted hammer work very well. But the hammer will only give you the 63% percentage. In a piercing line, it gave you with a spinning top 72 and 74 with a hammer, but in an inverted hammer, it's a weak 67. But overall, how much percentage is this one? If you are taking all the setups, it will be the 73%, right? And if you go for the downtrend setups, bearish engulfing and then continuation setup, evening star continuation setup, and the dark cloud cover continuation setups. So here, this is the research. In the bearish setup, the evening star is the top. Evening star is a strong pattern and continuation means it's working. But in a bearish engulfing, only the spinning top continuation sign is perfect. Inverted hammer, it's not working. Hammer, it's working more than the inverted hammer. So this is all research. I will teach you, but I just show you because we are learning these continuation setups, right? This file I'm going to share with you people. Okay, now tell me any query. Is there any query? Right now, there is no query. Maybe after reviewing, you will find the queries. Then you can send the queries on the group, or you can ask me in the tomorrow class, right? So practice on it. And now, little bit you are confusing. I know you are thinking that which setup I need to trade. Hammer I need to trade, inverted hammer I need to trade. I need to trade the reversal, or I need to trade the continuation. I need to trade the previous strategy, or I focus on this strategy. Now you will become on the confusion level. Don't confuse. Just understand and clear the concept. I will give you the way how to apply each and everything. Don't confuse yourself, right? Okay, so I'm going to finish this session here. And tomorrow at the same time, inshallah, we will meet again. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so
sir.
much, brothers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.